Imagine that you are sitting in the exam room right now, passing the C2 proficiency exam. You're going through paper 1, reading and the use of English, and at task 4, where you're given 2 sentences, and you need to complete the second sentence with only 1 word so that it has a similar meaning to the first sentence. You see these 2 sentences. If the star hadn't caught the flu, there would have been a cast party tomorrow. Second sentence, there, a cast party tomorrow, but the star has caught the flu. You need to use the word was to complete the second sentence. What would your answer be? Today in this video, you're going to learn when and how to use the advanced grammatical structure was, were, to, have, plus past participle. If you are to pass the C2 proficiency successfully, you need to be able to recognize grammatical structure and also be able to build a sentence correctly. So let's get started, shall we? To learn when exactly we use the structure was, were, to, have, plus past participle, let's get back to the first sentence given in the task and dive into the context. If the star hadn't caught the flu, there would have been a cast party tomorrow. So here you can see that the situation takes place today. So the star is ill now, and the party has been cancelled. In the second sentence, we can see that the party was expected but didn't actually happen. There, a cast party tomorrow, but the star has caught the flu. How to build up a sentence with the word was to convey the same meaning. To do so, you will need to use this grammatical structure mentioned before. Was, were, to, have, plus past participle. This structure is used to talk about things that were expected but didn't actually happen. So the correct answer is: there was to have been a cast party tomorrow, but the star has caught the flu. Okay, here are a few more examples for you. I was to have visited my aunt, but she's gone on a business trip. So the visit was expected, but it didn't happen due to some circumstances. Another example. A rocket has exploded after an engine ignited by mistake a few days before its planned liftoff. The rocket was to have carried 2 satellites into space. So the rocket was expected to carry 2 satellites, but it didn't happen. Alright guys, now it's your turn. Let's check your comprehension. Sentence 1. If the movie director hadn't chosen another actress, she would have become a star. She, a star, but the movie director has chosen another actress. The answer is she was to have become a star, but the movie director has chosen another actress. Sentence 2. If the companies hadn't forced a delay, the tobacco ban would have begun. The tobacco ban, but the companies have forced a delay. And the answer is the tobacco ban was to have begun, but the companies have forced a delay. There you are. Hope this video will contribute considerably to your C2 prep, and it will help you to get a high score in the reading and the use of English section. Thanks for watching this video. Good luck with your studies, and see you in the next video. And enjoy this wonderful day.